Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I've got yet another Amazon special. This I saw a similar one on another professional carpenter's YouTube channel. Shout out to Scott Brown Carpentry. I'll put a link to his. Of course, he's got a really good one, and the one I picked up was just the cheapest one they had on Amazon, and I have to say I think it's probably a bit crap. So unpackages really easily. I'll put a link obviously below to the listing on Amazon, but I'm not sure you want one. First thing that you really notice is that this lid here is like there's nothing stopping that from just flying open. That's a little bit rubbish. This part here is just going to snap and break anytime soon. But probably the most important part, apart from the whole thing being, I'm not quite sure which characters those are, but that could easily be Chinese, I would have thought. I don't know. I know this is a Japanese type tool. Yeah, anyway. Doesn't come with any ink, so you have to go and buy some ink separately. It is really like, what's the point in buying you really want the whole thing to just work, don't you? So yeah, there you go. This is how it comes. It obviously comes out like this. You've got some sort of lifting mechanism here. You've got some kind of thing here which it pushes this lever down here, which I'm assuming what it does is it pushes down on the sponge, and as you're pulling out it inks up the string. Because it doesn't come with any ink, I can't show you this working. So yeah, not impressed. I don't know whether I should leave a bad comment on Amazon or not. It is what it is.